Breathe in and hold it. And now breathe out. Down, down. Breathe in and hold it. And now breathe out. Down, down. Keep your mouth close to the phone so we can do it together. One, you breathe in, release through your nose, rub your earlobes, say woosah, woosah.
Leave your computer, do not move your mouse. Leave your computer.
This is scaring me right now.
Hey Annie, honey, this is John.
Nice to meet you, John, but it's scaring me right now. Breathe in, and hold it. And now breathe out, down, down. Breathe in, and hold it. And now breathe out, down, down. Keep your mouth close to the phone so we can do it together.
This has been the virus.
What? Virus? What do you want?
Take off your clothes.
There's no way I'm 85 years old. Uh-oh. Gotcha, base. That is what you want. Gotcha, base.
Yeah.
Breathe in, and hold it. And now breathe out, down, down. Breathe in, and hold it. And now breathe out, down, down. Keep your mouth close to the phone. Breathe in, and hold it. And now breathe out, down, down. Breathe in, and hold it. And now breathe out, down, down. Keep your mouth close to the phone so we can do it together.
Hello, it's me, late night Kipoga. Not sleeping. It's way past bedtime, so you're in for a treat. Just kidding. Hi. I'm late for my own. I'm late. I somehow managed to be late for something that was barely even scheduled. You know? I don't know how I did that, but hi. I have so much I want to talk to you about. Not really. I just figured we'd chill for a bit. There's a couple things I want to work on with the code, with the virtual machine, and stuff for the streams over the next few weeks. And I thought, let's do it together. Why not? It's been a while. Hi. I didn't know it was that kind of stream. Wait. What is that? What does that mean? Nothing like programming with someone over your shoulder. To be honest, it's more like you guys tell me how to fix all of my code, basically. But yeah, let me get some music going. Probably not gonna have my glasses. I mean, maybe at least for a bit. Maybe I'll put my glasses on and take them off and put them back on again later. Some people like flip out over that stuff. I'm okay. I'm doing okay. Yeah. Everything's fine. I used to do code streams every Sunday back in the day. Old Boga. I was just watching on YouTube. Nice. Back in the day when Boga stayed up late. He's on. Yeah, when I was old. Yeah. Well, how are ya? I would like. Let me just make sure I got everything working here. The first thing I'd like to do is announce that, um, for the past 3 or 4 years, I've been doing this thing on Twitch, and I've decided that I'll. Sorry, I don't know why I'm like fake. No, I'm just faking you guys out. I'm kidding. Hi, there's really nothing happening. What's up? Oh, that's a really boring scene. Let me switch it to this one at least. Hey. Um, what does Twitch TV mean? Yeah. So I got a couple things I wanted to work on. The way the code streams worked in the past, honestly, was I just sort of chilled. And sometimes people would come in and they'd be like, Kit, why aren't you calling scammers? Kit, stop coding, it's boring. And I would say, leave. So that sounds very not fun. I used to have quite a bit of fun coding and hanging out with you guys because it was probably like 20% coding and 80% just talking about random nonsense. But we used to get some the Google Play Redeem was originally, can you say conceived here? Is conceived the right word? It was originally birthed. It was both I can't say the words that I was going to say. Anyway, the Google Play redeems and everything thereafter, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, was during a code stream. We were like, yo, what should we do? Frankly, it might have been chat's idea. I don't even know. I'm not drunk. It's just late. For those of you, I feel like I have to say this every time. Because whenever I don't have my glasses on, people are like, "Oh my god, Kit, you're high or you're drunk," and I'm rambling because it's late. I so I'll just say this one time and then I'll move on from it. But my family has a past of, abuse when it comes to that stuff, and so I've stayed away from it and don't plan on ever coming close to it. But you do you as long as you're safe and crossing your goals off the list, you can do that stuff. But all right, so hi, time to upgrade the bank. Yeah, so there's a couple of things that I wrote down ranging from fun to boring, all of which need to be done. So yes, the bank needs work. Do I think I want to do that now? No. That's what tomorrow's for. When I'm not alive in the morning. So update the friggin' bingo? That's complicated. Okay? Wait, didn't you do it? We like half updated the bingo. Right? If you only ever do fun stuff, you'll never get to do the boring stuff. Perfect the dress ups. May I listen, here's the thing. It's basically just the Kipoga podcast now. I can do whatever I want. So welcome to Sunday night. Thanks, Fat32. I really appreciate it. It's good to see you. Happy Sunday. Happy new week. Thank you to all the people subscribing and stuff too. Holy smokes. I just opened up my alerts. This is crazy. I really appreciate you guys. Wellness, Velius, I mean, Melis, Azala, Swissman. It's good to see you. 30, almost 3 years. Appreciate everything you do. Mendez, Lightbender. Hey Kit, why is Sunday stronger than Monday? Because Monday is a weekday. Love it. Thanks, Nist. Thanks, Desired Constellation, Tor Dragon, Steve Boga Fanfiction, Mr. Dead Kennedy, Sincerely Naomi, and everyone else. Yo, winning marble, 40 months, tier 3, the Mad Lad. Thanks. The Jen, Morg. Appreciate you guys. So yeah, I was gonna tell you something and then I forgot. Thanks, Seattle Jen. I don't know how much we'll talk about dragons. It's entirely probable that I'll probably say something about dragons. I also would like to say publicly, because Pimperson just resubscribed for 34 months, that I had a dream about Pimperson the other day. The dream was that my neighbor, and by the way, just to clarify, I don't know Pimperson. They just have been a long time supporter and chatter. So I in this dream, I noticed neighbors moving in to my house. And the nice thing to do, of course, is to go say hi. And I said, hi. And, you know, I kind of like knocked on the door. And when they opened up, they were like, they were staring at me. And I said, hey. And they were like, this is going to sound crazy, but I think I know you. You're Kid Boga, right? And I tried to play it off, you know. I was like, what? And they said, I'm Pimperson. And I was like, no stinking way. And that was the end of the dream. But yeah, so I had a dream about about you, Pimperson. I don't know you, never met you, except for in my dreams. But thank you for all of the support. Appreciate it. And you were very good looking. Actually, I don't even know what you look like. I don't know anything. The only part I remember is the amalgamation of whatever the collective thing that was my neighbor was Pimperson. No. Yeah, I feel like I'm all over the place today, but that's part of the fun of it. Oh, so yeah. I don't think gosh, there's so many code things that we could work on, and I don't know what the best one is. I think I may just have to do some more of these code streams, to be honest. Is what it's going to come down to. So I kind of wanted to work on the AI originally, but I was talking to some friends in the AM. What does that mean? In the morning. And they were like, whatever happened to the donating to Milton? Like donating to a Twitch streamer. I was like, I forgot about that. So I think we might potentially work on that for a little bit. I also want to, I think we're very close, maybe half hour. I think we're very close to being able to do the Best Buy and or Target.com redeems. So I think I might spend a little time fixing that, which is sort of boring a little bit. But what was I going to say? I think it might be necessary. It might be cool to do. And so we might do that, like ease into the code stream a little bit and get those working, and then also work on the Twitch redeem, because I think it would be fun if we can figure it out. So yeah, welcome. Hey Fixer, hey Backbone, thank you. Hey Panna, Appreciate you. 16 months now. What's wrong with Milton? What do you mean? Nothing. Oh, I realized some of you weren't here during the code stream, which we stopped doing forever ago when this idea came about. So let me explain the concept. That might help. The idea is that, you know, sometimes scammers, I don't know if you know this from watching the stream or the videos or whatever, but sometimes the scammers aren't happy when all their money goes bye-bye. And the big way we do that obviously is the Google Play redeems. That gets some good I don't know what the right word is, results. But another idea we had once was, what if Nevaeh in particular,
she is this her voice? Yeah, she got a $5,000 refund, and she's freaking out. That's so much money, and says something like, "Oh my god, what if he'll finally notice me?" or whatever.
And I go to twitch.tv/MiltonTPike1. I've already talked to him about this, by the way. So, and I fake donate all of my money to Milton, and then Milton, like, it pops up. It says, Milton Lover 420 or whatever, XOXO donated $5,000, and he's like, "Oh my god, thank you so freaking much. That's amazing." And then so that was the idea, and we started working on it, and I haven't got anywhere. Hold on. Yeah, so that's something that I wanted to work on tonight, but honestly, I don't know how long it'll take. So I think that I feel like I maybe should just finish the Best Buy and/or okay, one sec. I gotta do the Best Buy redeem and/or Target redeem first, because then we're like, yeah, check that off the list. We got it done. We know that we can try that out, and then work on the Milton stuff for a while. But yeah. Okay. Cool. How are the chickens? All right, so let's get started. I'll go over to the virtual machine. We'll just kind of, talk, chill. I'll work. I'll work on some random stuff while we talk. That's basically the plan. Thank you guys for being you. Thanks for. Someone asked how the chickens are, so I'm gonna talk about that while all I have to say from the bottom of my Twitch Prime is thank you. Thanks. That's kind of you. Is it something that Milton could trigger on his end? Like, you type it and then it triggers it? So I think that I may I think that I may be able to just do sort of a demo where I might even have to, honestly, frankly, I might even have to I either have to fake Twitch chat or I have to go to a rerun of his VOD and make it say it's live, even though it's not actually live. Because otherwise, let's be real, some of you guys, okay, not you, not the Sunday night crowd, but somebody is going to go in his chat and they're going to be like, "Oh, yo, scammer, hang up, bro." So it can't actually be live, I don't think. Yeah, Blucifer, we might have done that. I just don't remember. Honestly, I don't know where it is. I'm gonna have to look for it. I remember we tried to fake Twitch chat. I just don't know where it is. So we'll figure it out. But I think that if I just add an alert that pops up over his VOD that says you know, Milton's lover XOXO donated $5,000. I think that'll be enough for a proof of concept. So I think that would be enough. Thank you, Feisty Fists and Funky Lasagna Cat. Zenthia. What if he notices me? Zenthia, thanks for sending that money to Heart Support. It's nuts. You don't have to do that stuff. That's really kind. Says, hope you crush some goals this week. I hope you do too. Could you get Milton and some of his longtime subs to record a fake live stream for the purpose or something? Well, here's the thing. So let's just double check. But I'm pretty sure if I go to twitch.tv, if I pull up the VODs. Also, speaking of Milton, I made a boo-boo. I did an ouchie. God, I hate that I'm talking like that. That's how... Okay, I made a mistake. So I was chatting. I wanted to talk to Milton about some ideas that I had. And I messaged him Saturday. I said, yo, dude, because he got back from his honeymoon and he's like, I got time for you. I said, what about tomorrow? I'd love to catch up tomorrow. He's like, absolutely, bro. I'll set 5 alarms. I will definitely be there. And I said, if you're not there, I want your final alarm to trigger. No, he actually said, my final alarm will trigger a text to Aaron saying we're gonna have to break up. So don't I go and not show up? Because I thought that it was Sunday yesterday and that today was Monday. I wasn't free today. I wasn't free for the meeting today. I'm free on Monday. Yeah, I feel real bad about that. He still hasn't responded to me. He probably hates me. He's probably gonna unfriend me on Facebook. Anyway, so I think if we go to twitch.tv/KitBoga, that's a true story. I hate that it's true, but wait, what does that mean, lazy? Oh, go outside? Is that what that means? Yeah, seriously. Yo, Cheese, I appreciate you. What does that mean, lazy? Oh, go outside? Is that what that means? Yeah, seriously. Well, this is weird. Is Milton live right now? This is freaking me out. Is this my actual... Do you see my actual screen? Oh, Kitboga viewers, as you should. You should also watch Milton T. Pike. Oh, he's like he's streaming right now. That's probably why he hasn't responded to me. Okay. Anyway, what was I saying? Yo, Cheese, if you're still here, bud, I appreciate you. I understand that you want to watch me call scammers. I'm not calling scammers right now, so maybe come back tomorrow. I hope you have a wonderful evening doing whatever it is that you want to do. Thanks, Linzon. Please tell more terrible jokes. What are you talking about? I guess I'm not following or subscribed. Yo, can I Twitch Prime? Just kidding. Okay. So if I go... I don't know why I'm doing Milton's. I could just do my own VODs. What the heck is this guy doing? Twitch is unimaginably... Is that a word? Twitch really needs to fix their friggin' website. How would you know? Are there people right now that don't realize that you can click this button and that's how you access the videos? Although I guess why would you want to watch his videos while he's live? So forget about it. It's a live streaming platform. My hot take is garbage. Forget about it. So if I watch an old live stream like this, and instead position and cute, holy crap. Okay, anyway, if I watch an old VOD and okay, Milton's not on the screen, but like this.
Whoa, chat, where's that mouse going? Whoa.
He's so I love Milton. Okay, so
Stop it.
look, there's chat over here and everything.
It's Ben, we have to save him.
It looks really weird right now, but did I? Wait, is it because I faked Twitch chat? I don't know. I'll have to figure it out. But anyway, this is a replay of chat, but the scammer might not know.
Running and saying and I saved
So
you owe me 100G.
sorry, I'm basically thinking out loud. If I code a big huge button here that says donate, and a thing pops up, and I type in $5,000, it might be enough. You know, maybe it's enough.
That were after you. No enemies after me.
Maybe.
No enemies could possibly.
People are chatting to Milton that you were talking about him. Why? Guys, leave Milton out of this. Oops. Yo, Griffram, what's up? Thank you. Kit, I hope you and the family and the chickens are doing fantastic. I took a break from working on Hack the Box for a while. Apprentice. Yeah, I feel like every time you tell me that, I say, yeah, I want to do that. Maybe someday. The chickens are doing pretty good. The 6 chicks are very large now, and they cannot really fit under their mother hens, but they try, and it's kind of funny. But they're big. Sorry I never sent pictures. I don't have Discord or Twitter or anything on my phone. So, yeah. But yeah, they're cute. I'll eventually give you some pictures. Okay. This isn't tea. I can't drink tea right now. And I didn't want to make herbal tea because I'm lazy. I don't really feel like I'm lazy, but I just wanted water. So I'm gonna drink a cup of water if you want to sip something. Alright, so I think to get started though, anyway, the idea was, man, I really am all over the place. No pics, no chicks. Wait. Twitch, is there? Okay, Twitch isn't in this, which is interesting. It might be on an old version of the virtual machine. Can you play When the Dust Settles? Because it's the perfect podcast. Yeah. Welcome to the Kid Boga Podcast, the podcast where we talk to scammers about life, liberty, and the pursuit of Google Play cards. I'm your host, me, and today's stream is sponsored by viewers and listeners like you. If you'd like to get 5% off your viewing and listening, please use discount code BOGA on all your future purchases. Does that help? Okay. I love your idea, but I think it would turn the scammers onto Twitch. Maybe that's possible, I guess. Yo, Coder Austin, thank you. Appreciate it, man. Or Woolman, or Robot, whatever. Appreciate you, Coder. Little Technician, thank you. Can I play Bo Burnham? How do you pronounce his last name? Burnham? Burnham? I don't think so, because DMCA. Did I ever get anything done during a code stream? Because I can't imagine how I did. Have I done anything in the past 30 minutes? I must have accomplished some things. I guess that's why we had to do it every single Sunday. But whatever. Let's start off with some low-hanging fruit, which is scammers seem to be, and we could come up with and speculate about the reasons why, but I don't think that really matters right now. But scammers seem to not be that into Google Play cards these days, and every time that I redeem them, while it's still fun, gosh, what am I thinking? Did Sam, the tub guy, was calling me on Friday. He called me back and was like, "Ma'am, go get a new phone. I am the only person that you should trust. Do not talk to anybody but me. Go buy Google Play cards and a new phone." So, I mean, he apparently doesn't care. But I've noticed that over the years, sometimes the scammers, when I start redeeming the Google Play cards, they're like, "Oh, might be one of those YouTubers." So I'd like to look at, I'd like to take a look at Best Buy and or Target, because we've done some redeems on these websites. In fact, little tidbit, I think the most popular video on YouTube to date not only is Nevea, oh crap,
Nevea.
but I think I redeem on Best Buy or something like that. It's very, yeah. So we got to bring it back, I guess. How about the donation option in Best Buy? That also exists. Yo, true, by the way. Hey, I think it is up to 16 million, and I think, if I'm not mistaken, you were helping me edit it at that point. Isn't that crazy? I never in a bazillion years thought that would ever happen. So it's nuts. That's insane. And the membrane. So let's see. I mean, right now I have this thing that I coded where I can press some buttons and click, and this pops up and it says order placed, which has been convincing in the past, but I think sometimes the scammers, they don't quite understand what's going on because they don't listen to a single word that I say. So it needs to be a little bit more visual. Let me see. Okay. If I go try to buy something like a Nordic track. Maybe confetti on the page. Didn't we do that once? I feel like we did. Oh, you know what it was? Community Mutual Bank. Does that still load? It probably won't. No. Remember when we made... Oh, we should bring that back. That was funny. I don't know how often we did that. We made this thing on a code stream where when the scammers had me log into my bank, I set up my bank account as if it was the first time that I ever signed in, and at the end there was a bunch of confetti. It was like, congratulations. And then I had no money in it. That was pretty fun. We only did it a couple times, I realized, but anyway, so if I add this to my cart, You know what else we should do? I should fake the help. I should fake. I don't know if Best Buy would be mad, but whatever. I should fake the chat and have it be me chatting or someone from my team, and they'll be like, "Yeah, sure, I'll totally call you and help you with questions about your computer." The scammers would be like, "No, no, 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 no! Don't talk to them." Okay, go to cart. Yeah, I plan on being live tomorrow. I will say I'm a little bit tired and it's late, but I do plan on hopping on at some point tomorrow. That's my plan. So we'll see how it goes. There's a ton of stuff I wanted to do this week for the stream. I had a lot of ideas floating in my brain hole. in my noggin, and I'd like to accomplish some of them, and sometimes that's what Monday ends up being, but I'm hoping to hop on and stream tomorrow. Okay, so when we're here, we have something in our cart. We bought some Best Buy cards. Kit was playing League and raged, and so he started his stream. I haven't played any League today now. Let's see. What is the Philosophy and Dragons podcast? I don't know. It would be fun someday. It'd probably be on a code stream like this. Why do scammers want you to buy it from a physical store? I think part of it has to do with returns. I also think that, I mean, you guys could tell me, I had to buy some gift cards. I didn't have to, but I was trying to help a friend buy a phone, I think, or maybe it was a laptop. And for whatever reason, it wasn't liking something with my credit card, and so I I bought a bunch of gift cards on like Amazon or even their own website online, and I got a phone call like pretty much immediately saying, "Hey, why are you buying these? Why are you buying these?" Which I thought was kind of interesting. So maybe that's part of it as well. Maybe the people call and yeah. So I think it's a way to divert you away from, maybe it's easier to cancel it, maybe you might get a call from someone online. I don't know. I'm not sure if I know all of the reasons. Yeah. Like going and buying it in cash. Maybe, I don't know. So the goal is I type this. Oh, that's not, what do you mean that's not a valid fake name? This is totally real. Is that a real address? No way. That sucks. Sorry if that's your address. I live at 333,333 650th Avenue. If you want to come over for dinner sometime. That's actually pretty. I actually do kind of like that. Okay. So contact. This is totally not fake. I promise. It's real. Seriously. I promise. It's not fake.com. Oh, that's pretty cool, Jen. Okay, something bad happened. I think this is my code. Something that I've done has broken Best Buy. So I gotta figure that out. No, I don't want to fill this out again. Do you think it's because it's scheduling delivery? Let me do a different product. Hold on. What if you really buy it? Well, I'm not gonna. Doom Taco Supreme has resubscribed. Thanks. I like that name, Doom Taco. How long? Gosh, I can't even. I feel like I'm already losing my mind. Sorry. I go to bed. This is my bedtime normally. So, thanks. Thanks, Airing House. What was I doing? Okay, gotta remove this. And let me try getting something else in here. Should add non-refundable. Oh yeah, maybe. Because sometimes they think that I could just. They'll be like, call and cancel it. Call. Okay. He's got a lot done, guys. He went to the Best Buy website. Shut your mouth. Okay. Just let me do. Just let me do. All right. Non-refundable, non-cancelable. Once it's redeemed forever. Yeah. Yo, free shipping, sick. All right, let's see if this is different because it's a different kind of product that doesn't schedule a thing. All redeemed sales are final. Yeah. Yo, Kit, wish me luck. I'm working on 3 commissions. Got them done by Christmas. I'm super busy. I'm not gonna wish you luck. I'm just gonna say that. What's the word? I see. What do they? Okay, what's that quote about? Luck is where preparedness meets. I don't even remember what it is. Opportunity or something. You got this, friend. Sometimes growing up, at least, I felt like luck sort of ended up belittling your hard work and your creativity and stuff. So I don't want to wish you luck because I think it will cheapen out the hard work and what you're going to do in your commission. But sorry if I'm overcomplicating this, just to say that that you got this, friend, and I hope that you crush it. Yeah, you got this. Thanks, Swansonator. Thanks, Debs. Okay. Let's see if this is any different. Fake name. This is totally real. Is there like a 666? Oh my god. Are these real addresses? I mean, they're like, why would this happen? Why is this real? Does someone really live at 0000004th Street? Oh. It's like, yes, kid. Yes. How? That's so confusing. What do you tell people? You really just say, is this a joke? Is this fake? Is this not real? Man, I'm learning so much about the world today. Wait, this seems like a kind of a small little town. Is this just a mistake? 0000004th Street. That's your house? Okay, well, sorry. You probably shouldn't have said that in chat. Okay. Email address. This is real. Please don't check if it's real. .com. Is it a plot of land? Can I tell you guys a story? I'm gonna tell you a story. So, one time when I was a wee little lad, when software engineer Boga decided maybe I should, get a job. And college costs money and everything. So I applied for you see, kids, the internet was different back in those days. But I really don't remember the exact timeline of this, but anyway, I don't know if it was college or not, to be honest with you. I just remember sometime when I was a software developer, so before the stream, and like I probably had some training, but I don't know. Anyway, I got a call about this job, and they were like, yeah, we want you to come in to interview. And I just got this weird vibe from them on the phone, because they didn't really ask me any questions, and they were like, yeah, we think you'd be perfect. Come interview. Can you interview now? Can you come interview? And I had just been randomly applying to everything. I didn't really care what it was. So I looked it up on the internet, and the map, the view of the office was a field with a shack in it. like a sketchy looking murder shed. And so I said, no, I will not come in for an interview, and I am not interested in your and so, wouldn't you know, I told this story to like my dad or someone else. So I told someone about this story, and they were like, that company is legit. They just built a building there. And I was like, oh, okay. And so I went back, and it turns out they had built a brand new building, and it never got, added to the satellite images or whatever. And they did hire me. But anyway, yeah, I thought that it was a murder spot. It was kind of crazy. I don't think I told them what happened either. I think I wouldn't have lied. I wouldn't have lied about it, but I don't think that I would have said like, hey, so I kind of thought you were going to murder me. I probably, yeah. So the fact that they hired me afterwards, I don't know what that means. I don't know if that means no one else was applying because they thought they were going to get murdered. Or if just no one Like, I don't think that necessarily means I'm anything special, but yeah, it was an interesting life experience. Yeah. So, Best Buy. Why? Why did I do this? Apparently I broke something. Let me comment this code out. So yeah, the moral of the story is I don't know. Don't. I mean, I think you should be careful, but it has too many fans to get to talk to him. Yo, what's up? I got your attention. Hi. Or you got my attention. Wait, why? Oh, that's crazy. If that's real, that's nuts. Your life is full of stories that makes us feel normal. Wait, I don't feel like I tell too many stories. Milton is the one who has stories. If you ever want to listen to someone tell stories, just go watch Milton. I feel like his entire stream is him telling stories. Well, he's also funny and entertaining, but well, while he tells stories as well. But stuff we've done so far. Found out Nordic Track is $5,000, and there's an address with 00000. You know, part of life is exploring, and that's what we're doing, right? Okay, I'll tell you another story. This isn't that unique, and probably people who are parents will have a similar story. Yo, Tazza, thank you. That's so kind. That's nuts. I know there's people who appreciate getting gifted subs. Thank you. So one of the kid bogas, the youngest of the bogas, was watching a show that I personally am not fond of, but that doesn't really matter. It was called Beau on the Go. And in this TV show, Beau is on the go and constantly will do this thing, kind of like Dora the Explorer and various other shows do, where they'll be like, hey, can you help me find it? Where's the car? Is it here? You know those kinds of kids shows? Is it over here? Where's the car? And they're trying to get they want the kids to like point at it. So in the show Beau on the Go, Beau says, I have to go do blah blah blah, but I don't have enough energy. Can you help me get enough energy? And they want you to like run in place or something to generate energy. And so kid Boga, the youngest Boga, was like, no Beau. Like, can you please help me get energy? Like, Beau, I can't right now. I just thought it was so funny. And I'm sure that you've had very similar experiences, but and then later it happened and they're like, Beau, I can't help you. I'm busy eating my, I don't even know what was happening. They're probably having a snack. But I just thought it was really funny. Okay, that's my story. Can I just type a number? Okay, I don't want to type in a real person's number. My kid used to watch that. I'm just not a fan of some of those. I mean, it's cool. Why does this happen every time? I feel like I must have totally. I broke something. I think that's bad. Kit, you're not their target audience. Okay, fine. That's true. Can you imagine that being your email address? Have you seen Hoarders? I'd love Edna to be a hoarder on a call. I think that I have. But I don't know if the scammers would understand some of that. It'd be tough. I could think about it. I did not expect to spend this much time like stalling at this portion of it. I just, for some reason, oh. Whenever I click continue to payment information, it goes blank. Okay, so it's something with my code. Poop. That stinks. Dang. I guess it's gonna be one of these things. I have a hard time with some of the shows like Hoarders and the TLC style ones sometimes. Cause I don't know, sometimes, I hope this doesn't come across the wrong way, but sometimes it seems like they need, like, the people need help and they're just like making a show out of it. And you're like, I don't know if I don't know. I don't know if that makes sense. But sometimes it feels a little bit like, huh, I don't think they're better off after having talked to you. I don't think that they're that much better off after having, but I don't know. Maybe they do genuinely try to help. I've watched like an episode, you know what I mean? I don't think I'm a really good critic for that show. You could probably say that about a lot of things, so. And I guess I have heard that they do try to follow up with people and stuff, so. Okay, so this is the page that we want to get to. Let me just check one last thing. Click checkout. Okay, so when you add a donation amount, what happens? You just say like 5,000. Oh, afterwards will work. I think I'll do that separately for something else. So use a Best Buy card. Ooh. How did that work? Okay. There's some problems though. It started to work. Use the discount code BOGA? Yeah. I don't know what half this code does. Is this gonna be I feel like this will still be. Should I just work on a Milton thing? I don't know. I want to make sure I get something done. You know, a little bit of something done. I thought this would be pretty easy. Okay. I mean, the scammers ask me to get Best Buy gift cards all the time, so I don't really know what. I'm not sure why. Let's see. Boom, boom, boom. What the heck? What is this? This is cool. Total. Doesn't seem to work, but it looks like I was trying to say if the total amount minus $500. Oh, okay. Am I just supposed to? Oh, we'll find out. Let's try one more time. Can someone else explain how he's spoofing the URL? Oh, right now I'm really not spoofing anything. Why is all this gone? All right. Best Buy gift card. 4444555. Oh, someone asked a question and I totally lost track. I'm not spoofing anything really on Best Buy right now. This isn't a fake Best Buy website. I have an extension that isn't really Avast Web Security 1.3.3.7. It's a bunch of code that I wrote that's called Avast Web Security 1.3.3.7. And it's in developer mode and it's super hacky and bad. So yeah. If I was a dragon, what would my name be? The Crushinator? I don't know. I have no idea. I don't know how much I've thought about that. To be honest. All right. It added a gift card here, which is pretty cool. What in-ear monitors do I use? The ones that came with the wireless audio system that I have. I don't know what they are. Okay, this is false. This is not good though. Yeah, I did software. Well, I'll say I did software, but I didn't know what I was doing. I feel like I had no clue what I was doing. The more that I've learned over the handful of years, I feel like I can't even say Now that I've learned a little tiny bit of Python and done some AI coding, I feel like I can't even say that I was a software engineer. but anyway, that's what I was. Okay. And I like barely did any of it either. So I suppose a lot of things are probably like that. The more you learn, the more you realize, gosh, I don't know anything about anything. I think that's fairly common. Is that not the part of the whole is it the Dunning-Kruger thing? Is that not? Wait, how is this 0? I don't understand. Do I say .text? Wait. Total .text. Oh yeah, there's something wrong. There's something weird. Why? Any professionals in the chat? Why is it that it? Oh, the length is 0? Is that the problem? But that doesn't make sense either. I'm trying to get this number down here, this text, I guess. It's .val. You .log the element, not the amount. You want to use HTML or inner HTML? Okay, let's try it. Inner HTML. Yo, Brennan, just whatever, bro. Okay. Let me try that. It's not a function. Thanks. I understand what you're saying now. To speed things up, you can test in your console and using $0 while you have the element selected. I don't know what that means. It sounds amazing, but I don't know what that means. Okay. Look at all these errors. Okay, it's blank, undefined, and 0. That's not looking good. Typed it in the... Can you do jQuery in here? Whoa. I don't really know anything other than jQuery. I know a lot of people are like, you use that? You're so bad. But whatever. It gets the job done. Oh. This is kind of cool. So there's 3. I don't feel like I've done this before. Maybe I have, but this is cool. I wonder if this is bad. You probably can't. I don't know if you can even read this if you're on mobile, but that's cool. And then when you hover over it, it like shows you stuff. Nice. Did you? Someone said I can't read anyway, so it's okay. The other day I told this gamer that I couldn't read or write. and he somehow it was just like, yeah, okay, man, go to the store. I'm by the way, if you can't read or write, I don't think that's, I'm not like, you know, I'm not making fun of that. Just I'm laughing because I was clearly reading and writing the entire time. Like as I was talking to him, I had already. Maybe he just thought I was. I don't know. I think EQ. I don't even know what it stands for, but I think it just selects an item. You know, like a specific thing, specific item. That's how I use it. I don't know. There's probably better ways, but I've said this before, and I think when I fell in love with, if you can fall in love with coding, it was like I already had been doing it and enjoying it and stuff, but wait, what? Oh, I gotta update this. We had an assignment where we had to make a circle bounce around the screen, and in the end we printed out our code. Like literally all it was make a circle bounce around the screen. That was it. That was the assignment. And we had to, everyone like reviewed each other's code and then looked at the way that we made the circle bounce around the screen, and everyone in the class had like a completely different solution. And you know, some people had like hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of lines of code, some people had very little amounts of code, some people just used libraries of other people to, you know, solve it in like one line. And that moment I was like, dang, programming sick. I want to do that. But yeah, I very vividly remember that. I suppose that could be the reason why some people don't like it as well, because it's so like open-ended or whatever. But I'm pretty sure they let you use libraries and stuff, because I think that was part of the point of the assignment, was like, do whatever, think outside the box, solve the problem, just do it, forehead. It was very open-ended. Everyone has a different opinion on what is good code or not. Well, yeah. Ooh. Ooh. That's good code. We've got it. Just kidding. So total.text gets us what we want. I kind of forgot how this stuff works. So it's checking if total.text why do I have this all in parentheses? Minus 500. If it's greater than 0, then output this, otherwise 0. But The math here isn't working correctly, so I've clearly done something wrong. I took programming in high school. I'm clueless now, as I was the first day. I think that there is... I didn't take any improv classes. I kind of wish... I mean, I didn't know I was going to be doing this. I didn't think I was going to be doing this, so... I think that I might, though, someday. I think it'd be fun. Or like to participate in a... What do you call it? Like a troupe? Is that what they call it? I think that'd be cool. But then I'd have to go outside. Okay. What is the EQ2? It's selecting the third item of the list of items, which happens to be the one that I want. And that's because lists or arrays or whatever start at 0. So 0 would be the first one. Ooh. So is parse int just not doing what I want? Apparently it doesn't turn that text into a number. That's the problem. Man. Instead of hard coding 500, you could make 500 default, but also make certain digits. Yeah. Your parse int. Yeah, I know. I was kind of hoping that it would just automatically remove everything, but I'm pretty sure you can say like var amount equals. Okay. You can replace, right? Replace a $sign with nothing, and replace commas with nothing, and replace period with nothing, right? This is probably a bad way to do this, but like I think that works. You can, what is it, regex stuff? Oh, we need the period. You need the period. That's true. Good call. Good call. And wouldn't it be parse? Is it like parse float or something then? I don't need that anymore probably because okay, whatever. So instead we're gonna say amount and amount. If the amount minus 500 is greater than 0, then output amount minus 500. Otherwise, output 0. That's what that means, I think. Let's see. Do you need the dot text? Wait. Total dot text dot replace. Nice. Thanks. Yo, Pentaro, thank you so much. Imagine you're chilling inside and then you have to leave. Going outside is horrible. Sometimes there's fun things. I've been really enjoying fishing, but yeah, I totally get it. 0 0 0 0. Can I? Ooh, we got a number, and it's correct. Sick. We're like magicians. Max amount 500. Oh, that's kind of cool. Is that better? Sorry that it got bopped by the... So then I think we can say total dot text or whatever. Total dot text is... Oh, but now I have to convert it back into currency, which I think... Kit. No. Dragon. That's a... I think I have a code, some code way at the bottom called format number. Yay. Dragon. Format number. Math.max amount minus 500 comma 0. So that just picks the bigger of the two? The maximum? Okay, that's fair enough. And then that's fun. So somewhere you guys were saying, do we need to have a big button that says this is non-refundable kind of a thing? Do 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 do. What was it called? Button. Ooh, I don't know how to look for this button. Can you look for data? I forgot how to do it. Data attributes. Like, is it like this? Data track? Oh no. Data track. That's so weird. Place your order contact card. Ooh. Okay, that wasn't right. Do you guys remember? Button data track equals. Oh. That? No. Button. I don't know why I did something wrong. Oh, I did this in the wrong spot. Right? There we go. Whew. Place your order. Thanks, chat. Nice. The real reason why I have to do this live, because otherwise none of this would ever work. Okay. Dot on click. Wait. Is this like the way, is this the way that people do it? On click? I think that there was a reason why I had to do it this way. Because it happens even after the element appears later, I think. No one uses jQuery anymore? We stopped 10 years ago? Oh, okay. Well, sorry. I guess I'm stuck. It takes too long to learn Angular just for this stuff. I mean, I don't. Yeah, it's not like I. This gets the job done, you know. Whatever. So, when I click this, I want something to happen, but I also want to do this. Your orders with gift cards are non-refundable and cannot be canceled. I feel like they know that that's false. Is that how you spell non-refundable? Would they know that? Non-refundable and can't and cannot be redeemed. Can't. Did I spell canceled? Strong. Let's see if this works. Do not redeem. Oh, orders with gift cards are non-refundable and cannot be canceled. Nice. Style. Cool. So then, I guess the idea would be, while the scammer is watching, we're like, yeah, I know you told me, I know you told me to get some, gift cards for this thing. And then I go here, and I click. Oh no. Oh. Okay. I go and I click here, and I type this. Why did you do that? Why did you redeem? Okay, so it says gift card $500 total, and I can be like, wow, whoop-de-doo, look at that, mister. It worked. Now let me do the next card. 7777 3233 90999. Golly, Mr. Scammer, look, now it's only $69. Nice. And then, ooh, this is a problem. Okay. Bum, ba, bum, bum. This part right here needs to be mathed. It needs to be mathed a little bit. Plus, I'm just gonna call it GC amount. You do pluses, right? I think, because it's possible that GC amount equals do. Is it math.min or something? Now? Is that the, yeah. So we just do the opposite. It'd be like 5, or wait, I need to get amount first. The minimum of either amount minus 500 or 500. I think is what we want. I don't know. We'll test it in a minute. That means amount has to be up here and total has to be up here. Oh, that's fine. Basically the point is, what if the gift card has this probably won't really happen, but if the yeah, okay. Add to string to the end of GC amount. Oh. You know what I can do? I can use that same like format number function. Whoa. Golly gee, mister. Don't do negative 500. Wait. Oh yeah, because then it could be okay. Gosh, you guys are so smart. Will you change Zell to positive when sent? I think it's gonna take a little bit too much time to do this evening, but that is on my list of things to do. So, maybe I can get some of that stuff done tomorrow. Hup with the codes. Okay. Okay, let's test it. Okay, cool. So now it's got 3 gift cards. And it's at $0 total. And when I click that, nothing's gonna happen. Now I already have it coded, so if I hold Control Alt and click, this will happen, which is probably good enough, frankly. I don't know what the heck this image is supposed to be. Oh, I mean, that'll probably suffice, right? I think that works. Couldn't your code be used as a double-edged sword? What? What do you mean? And here I'm gonna add background color. I want it to be a little more visible. What do you mean by the double-edged sword thing? Damien, couldn't your code be used as a double-edged sword? like they're gonna take my code. Is that what you mean? I mean, I usually my answer to this is that so I've been doing it for like 4 or 5 years, and very rarely, if ever, have we seen the scammers adapt. And so far, I hasn't been anything based on what we're doing. So it doesn't give me like they've been doing that. We just saw them update the script to say, oh, we found that you've been hacked, and they bought stuff off of like an illegal website. We're gonna have you call your bank. But yeah, I don't think so. I mean, this isn't anything that they couldn't figure out on their own. I guess. I also, in general, think that there's more value in us, the millions of people being educated about the scams. But that's my own personal take. I mean, yeah, I don't know if that answers your question. Okay. Who took my username? Yeah, I have the lights turned down. I have the lights turned down quite a bit, actually. It does get really bright in here. What if instead of under the order, you have a thing that pops up and says, "Are you sure it's non-refundable?" Oh, that's interesting. Like when you first click this, it says, "We noticed. Hey there, shopper. We noticed that you're using gift cards. Just so you know, you can't refund that purchase," or something like that. Yeah. You should make a Corn Hub website. Just be like, yeah. No kidding. No kidding. They use. I'm back. I'm back. One sec. I broke my audio. Sorry. All right, let's just test this. I think we're pretty much done, but yeah, maybe we could try that thing that pops up. Oh, what was I saying? Yeah, no kidding. They use Corn Hub too. That's where I get all my vegetables. I guess I meant if scammers were to become as diligent as you in coding. Oh, I mean, they probably wouldn't be. They wouldn't have to. They could just go get. They could just go code then. I don't know. I don't know. I don't think they're gonna spend the time. I try to be really careful about making general statements, because so I will preface this to say, it should be obvious that we talk to a lot of different scammers and a lot of different people, and everyone is different. So keep that in mind when I say that I think on average, or maybe average isn't the right word, but the most of the time the scammers that I seem to talk to, I get the impression that part of why they're doing what they do is because they make more money doing that, and they don't really want to work hard. They just want to, steal money from people because it's easy. So I don't know if they're really gonna sit around and like watch my code streams or learn to code themselves just so they can scam. I mean, there might be a few that would do that, but that's just my general vibe. But are you working hard or hardly working? Yeah, I guess we could click this and have an alert pop up. Let's see what that would look like. Oh, hey, Lady Boga. Hi. Kid Boga's Scammer Junior Dev Bootcamp. That's cool. Alright, what should the alert say? How do you make it say yes or no? Prompt? Is that Can you do that anymore? I'll just have it be an alert. I'll just have it say we noticed confirm. Oh, nice. If used gift cards, then confirm. We noticed you redeemed. We noticed you are using gift cards to place on your order. Please note, due to the ongoing nature of the pandemic, I feel like I don't want to say that though, but they might believe it. Please note, please note, we are not able to offer refunds. Via gift cards at this time. Are you sure you still want to place your order? That's fine. I mean, worst case, I could be like, well, they'll still refund it. They're just going to give me, it's going to take a couple days. Authorize the refunds. We're not able to authorize refunds. Nice. Gift card should be 2 words. Oh. Oh, that's cool. I actually don't know if I need to do that though. I understand I think that's cool, but I don't think I need to because of the way that I have this working right now. But can you put copyright 1984 incorporated? Can I show you something, Tony? Check this out. When I go to Google, check this, watch this. Watch this. Okay, okay, never mind. Where did it go? For the longest time, we had this button right here that said, "Get a $100 Google Play gift card for filling out a survey." For stinking years. I don't know where it went now. I'll have to find that later. And not one single time has a scammer ever even shown us an inkling of wanting to click that button. So, yeah. I don't know. I probably could write copyright 1984. Thanks, Sobal. They probably thought it was a scam. Maybe. I don't know if you guys can hear this. It's a bop, as the kids say. I don't have Windows 11, and I know nothing about it, so I can't comment. Okay. I should make this go away. Whoa. What? It's happening when I click anywhere. That's kind of strange. Does this code not work apparently? Can you not do on click B like that? Jamming to slow jazz and making websites to scam scammers. Yeah. What else do you do on a Sunday night? Pass the string, not the element. I mean, I'll just put it there. It's fine. Is it? Cutting down trees, Tally. Nice. Bum 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 bum. Okay, I think we're about there, ladies and gents. Let's test it. Now we can say we got something done. And I'll move on to the next thing. You're adding the click handler to the document? No, I'm pretty sure, but this is how I do it up here. No, I'm pretty sure this is right. Well. I don't know what just happened, but let's see. I think it's just telling the document to listen, or like registering where to the origin of the listener is. Yeah, there we go. We noticed you're using gift cards on your order. Please note, we are not able to authorize refunds via gift cards at this time. Are you sure you want to place your order? So then I click like this, and the scammer say, click cancel, click cancel, click cancel, click cancel. And it says, your order's been placed. Thank you. Yay. I love it. Let me find a check mark. Nice. Please put a little padding above your gift card message. All right, hold on. Come back to that in a minute. I got your chat pulled up. Do 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 do. Boop 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 boop. Okay. How do I? It doesn't really matter. It's because this is referencing something that I'm not hosting anymore. CommunityMutual.bank doesn't go anywhere, I don't think. What does this go to? Oh. Oh, PF sense. That makes sense. What does... What's the... I don't remember how I get to my other computer. Oh, this is the... I'm ill rich McGilgill, coming at you with a new rap, it's real chill. If you wanna get with me, you gotta get with my friends, yeah. It's ill rich McGilgill. Oh, here we go. Oh, I found our old bank. Oh my gosh. Now I can show it to you. Remember those days? This was fun. I wonder if I should. I kind of want to try using this again just to see. Like, I was having trouble using it for a while. City, England. Partially because scammers were like getting a little bit more. They were like, oh. They're using these fake banks these days, but I wonder if I could go back to it now. If it's been there, I don't even remember all the Easter eggs though. Although this page is pretty. I don't know. Maybe we will. Remember the math problems? Okay, anyway, I think I can /img/checkmark. Oops. Okay. I was afraid of what images might show here. What the heck are all these things? Oh, I know what this is for. It's for the it's for the captcha. The captcha. Is there one called corn? Let me see. It's probably the space corn lady. To be honest, I just gotta put I gotta put a check mark in here. Let me see. Oh my gosh, that's confusing. There is corn. It's gonna be the corn lady, I bet. Yeah. That's one of the best. It's one of the best stock photos of all time, in my humble opinion. 1 second, please. Images. Sorry. I gotta find a check. Somewhere apparently I had a check mark. Boom, ba, boom, bam. Okay. I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna stop. I gotta stop. Whew. Under icons? No, that's something else. Sorry, chat. One sec. Bum, 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 bum. Whatever. I'm trying to get a checkbox. Mm, mm. Oh, it's gonna be stinking. What did you think this was gonna be? Like, what were you expecting that image to be? How could it have been anything other than that? Yeah, I can add new images to it. I'm just trying to get a check mark, to be honest. That's it. Just to make it look like, hey, it's probably not that important, but there's one. Yeah, I'm just taking a Creative Commons check mark. Wait, SVG? Oh, never mind. And we're gonna call it check mark. Oops. Basically, for those of you wondering what the heck this IP address is, it's just hard coded, or not hard coded isn't the right word. It's my Linux Ubuntu machine that hosts all the fake stuff, basically. So you can't get to that. It's local. It's local stuff. But check mark. Check mark, atheists. Sorry. Never mind. Oh, it's getting late. It's getting late for me. Okay, now I gotta find check mark. There it is. Oh, this not work because it's not over HTTPS. Boot scoot. It's not gonna work, right? It won't load. It's not gonna. You know what? It's super not worth it. If I'm just gonna get rid of it if it doesn't load. I'm more of a 192.168 kind of guy. Oh, okay. Oh, it worked. Wow. So the reason I'm not doing the Best Buy logo is because this I can click anywhere. It's something we coded a long time ago. Look, see, I'm buying something on this page now. Whoa, holy holy wow! Look at that! My order is placed. So it was I coded it a long time ago. If I ever wanted to fake buying something, but yeah. Okay, so I lost your chat box. Sorry. Someone said something about padding something. What was your What was your padding? How do I fake the URL? I'm not faking anything. This is actually Best Buy. Someone said, I found out that my elderly mother has fallen for what's considered to be a romance scam. She sent quite a few. I'm so sorry, friend. Uh, I have limited experience in it. Someone recently messaged me on Discord about it. There's a bunch of resources, resources, tons of resources on, like, I don't know if you're here in the United States. Oh, you mentioned contacting the FBI. So yeah, the FBI has some romance scams stuff on their website with examples and interviews from people who have been scammed via the romance scam. And from the handful of people that I've talked to, what's kind of hard is uh explaining to a loved one, like, hey, this person isn't actually your fiance or whatever. But it's super important. So I usually recommend pulling up some of those resources, maybe even getting with some of your family members and explaining it to them. So for example, if you're the grandson and uh talk to the brothers and sisters, or okay, you said it was your elderly mom, but yeah, I'm really sorry to hear that you went through it. um I also suggest, usually if you can, trying to help with some of the financial stuff. Sorry about that. I think I need to get a new audio card. If I like if I move too much, it breaks. Um, sorry. Yeah, sorry. I don't know where I cut off, but um, I hope that helped, and I'm sorry that your family's going through that. Actually just realized I don't have a dedicated audio card. Yeah, I don't know why I said that. It's just the motherboard or the whatever. The motherboard. Yo, thanks for suggesting Master and his emissaries. I've been enjoying it. Any other book suggestions? Whoa. Um, I don't know. Uh, the last one I read, the first half of, was Man's Search for Meaning, which is kind of cool. Uh, I don't know. There's so many. I'm trying to think of like one really good one to recommend, but uh, I think Master and his emissary and some of the concepts that he talks about, um, sort of summarizes a lot of the things that I've been listening to and hearing about that sort of blew my mind. But I don't know. Maybe someday I'll have a book list. Sorry, I don't have a good. Um, I think I usually tell people, like, if you like some of that stuff, to check out the Great Courses, has a lot of stuff, or even like the Psychology Podcast or something. It's dense though. Yeah. I don't understand all that, you know. Uh, there was another book. I'll have to find the title of it. I never finished it. But it was still really interesting. The concept was basically like, hey, you don't realize how you learn and all of your cognitive biases, and they just took you through a ton of different experiments and a ton of different they reference a ton of different studies that were like, hey, so this is how, the best we understand how your brain works. And I would like study after study, I'm like, oh, okay, this is crazy. But I'll have to find the title of it because I don't remember it. It was kind of interesting. Okay, someone said something about padding. I don't remember what you said though. Oh, it was you. Thanks, Otter. Body keeps the score? I don't know that one. It's not. No, it wasn't brain and learning, but that sounds like something that could be cool. Where was the? Where are you, Otter? I can't find you now. There you are. Okay. Padding top 1 PX. Oh, the gift card warning. Oh, I understand now. Okay. Do-do-do-do-do. Background. What is happening? Background color. I was thinking I should do something like this so it's really obvious. Like it's extra obvious, do you think? I really want to make sure they notice that this is here. So maybe like that. It looks fishy with the gift cards showing positive numbers. Yeah, I wasn't sure about that either, to be honest. I think originally why I did it was I thought that the scammers would understand it better, but maybe now, maybe it's bad. What do you guys think? Let us know in the comments. What do you guys think? What's should we do negative? Okay. Bow, 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 bow. Negative is better. Okay. If it's negative, it's weird. I guess I could put it at the bottom. Oh, it's actually really hard to put it at the bottom. I think. It's not really hard. It's just the way I coded it. I have to change. I think I could do it. Where did I about No, this is the music that I use in my stinking videos sometimes. Do. Do. What was I gonna do? It's right here, because I'm pre-pending. How could I? Okay, experts. How could I select this element? Let's say I know how to select this element. How can I add something after it? If that makes sense. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? Dot after? Ooh. Okay. Order summary card. Total line. How do I find out? How did I check if it was the right one before? I forgot. I thought when I hovered over it. Did I just find the wrong thing? Yeah, something must be wrong. Oh. Yeah, it's just the code's wrong. Wait. Assign the gift cards an ID. I can't really do that because Best Buy, I don't have like the code for Best Buy, you know? Make the checkmark use HTTP because it'll fail when you reboot. For real? But won't it be upset because it's mixed? Or whatever? Why doesn't this work? Okay, let's try. Am I doing the wrong? Oh. Why did I pick 5? maybe that was the problem. Okay. I'm not sure where I came up with the number 5. Well, let's try that. Let's try dot after. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed the video. You know, maybe for once in your life, click the sorry. Click the subscribe button. Seriously, you know what's crazy? And I'm just gonna, just for a minute, like, I don't think it's not like subscribing on YouTube is very, I watch a lot of fishing videos and I realized I don't subscribe to like any of them. So I know the way YouTube works doesn't really care whether or not you subscribe, but I think something like 60-70% of the people that watch the YouTube videos don't subscribe. I think it's so weird, although that's the way that I consume YouTube as well, so maybe it's fine, but I just think it's funny. And I know other people who make YouTube videos, like, guys, none of you actually click subscribe, just click the subscribe button. But it's true. It's funny. Okay. By the way, you don't need to. It's totally chill. I just think it's kind of interesting info. Let's see if that works. Oh well, and we'll do negative, right? I think that's what we decided was that was the consensus. It's all good. Oh, and then yeah, if you subscribe and you don't click that little bell thing, you don't get notifications. Let's check it. Let's do a final test. A little test run here. Okay. That's... Oh, the number's wrong. Because... it... Oh! Gosh. There's all these little things that go into this. I suppose that was part of why I did the Sunday night streams too, is it's just like hours of time that goes into just something as simple as this. And so it's cool to be able to do it with you guys too. Not subscribing relies entirely on their algorithm equals problem. What? I don't know. I think it's getting too late for me to answer that question. JQ's, thank you. Thanks, Dubes, Joshipu, Wanpak, thank you guys. Been listening on the 2-hour ride home, audio only. Yo, drive safe. Hope you had fun. It's been over a year since a stream. Dang, a Sunday stream. Maybe we'll do it again. Yeah, Kit will only answer simple questions now. Please Please direct all complicated questions to his management. Let's do. That's pretty cool. That works out, I think. And then when you click this, it says, "We noticed that you're using gift cards." Be like, click cancel, ma'am. Click cancel. And I won't click cancel. And then it says order placed. Thanks to your order being processed, we have sent additional order. I love it. I like it. It's simple. It's elegant. Okay, it's not elegant. It should it works, sort of, I guess. It's enough probably to make them believe that I'm redeeming the cards. The last few times I've done this, I've had to just edit the HTML and then it doesn't work right, if that makes sense. Like I think being able to redeem more than one card. Actually, let me make it so let's actually do this. How do you make Veil nothing? Does that clear it? In the end, we should clear it. Or not in the end, but after we redeem each time. I think being able to show them that I've typed multiple cards in the box is pretty essential to the process of them understanding that bad things are happening. So can you make it so they can't click the back button? Not really, but usually when I do this, at that point, I don't allow them to control my computer anymore because it's just easier. What happened? Oh, it was too many digits. That's weird. It clears it, but then it comes back. Why? Any guesses? Nah, it doesn't really matter, to be honest. I think that's enough. It'll be enough for them to understand what's going on, and they'll believe that bad things are happening. Well, at least that's the hope. That's the guess. Okay, let me take snapshots. Let me take snapshots of everything so we have a good stopping point, at least base point, I guess, for to test it out tomorrow. So I'm gonna write has. Oh God, why can't I type something bad? Something bad. Has Best Buy create snapshot should work. Okay. If you replace the 2 with last, it'll append it.